All right, so welcome again. So, someone called me the bad news bearer that I always have bad news. Like in the video, in the Shamar Nicholson video, someone in the comment section said that I always have bad news. But guess what? I have good news. I have good news, people. I have good news. No, the good news is that I want you guys to smash the like button first and also subscribe if you're here for the first time. That is the first good news. That's good news for me because that's all I'm asking for. That is all I'm asking for. So, as I said, I am the host of the show, Murray Dakers, and I am sweating. People, there's three places in Jamaica that I know for a fact that the sun sets. Up Park Camp, Portmore, and Spanish Town. The sun sets in those three areas. Yeah. So let's get straight into the details of the video. So you guys remember Greg Leigh, right? You guys must remember Greg Leigh. Yeah. He's now playing at Morecambe in League One. Last transfer window. But guess what? He's now being recalled. Sources close to his camp has informed the military Guna TV that Greg Leigh has gotten the thumbs up and the call to join up with the team to be the left back option, backup option for Kemar Taxi Lawrence, which at this moment is having a good season at Morecambe, already registered an assist, in good form, playing consistent game, so it is expected and definitely is warranted a good call up. And we all know what he can do. He can play on the left and also on the right as a right back. Yeah, use both foot. But definitely he also can play as a left centre back and also as a left midfield. So he's quite vicarious. One of those players that can play in numerous positions. So integrating him back into the team, providing a left back support for Kemar Tax Lawrence is crucial. I must note that in the last sets of game, Kemar Tax Lawrence had to play three games, that's 270 minutes. Did I get that correct? That's 270 minutes of football. He registered an assist with, I think it's in the Costa Rica game, a game that he gave to Shamar Nicholson, that cross inside of the box. Yeah, so in all aspect, that is quite good. Now, the next good news is this. Leigh has given JFF the thumbs up that he can play and he'll be ready for the next round of fixtures against USA, against Canada, and also against Honduras. Yes, he has given JFF the thumbs up that I will be ready. I will be ready. So sources also close to the Leigh camp has informed the military Guna TV that he has given JFF the thumbs up and that everything is set to go, which means we're ready. No, we're ready. And we all know that we got a massive scare when we saw that injury report coming out. Well, I reported that injury. Anyways, that report came out and I show you guys the graphic images of how brutal that tackle looked. And I'm surprised. He must be solid as a rock. Leigh must be as solid as a rock, people, because that injury, I'm quite sure most of you guys have seen that injury. And it's good that we have good news coming out of the camp right now, that we're getting back all these players. It's really, really good. Now, the next good news is that, you see how much good news I'm bringing? Shamar Nicholson will be able to play throughout the rest of the season. Owing to the fact that he would have to wear a mask. I'm quite sure most of you guys played FIFA. I think it was Amsic. Some of those players that used to play in the Italian league and all over. You remember that Petr Cech had to wear an helmet because of injury, but Shamar Nicholson will now be wearing a mask. Yeah, mask up, right? Even on the football field. That must be uncomfortable. That must be uncomfortable. Yeah, I assume that must be uncomfortable. But he got the thumbs up that he will be able to finish the rest of the season, which means that he will be available for the next round of fixtures. So people, this is good news. We have Leigh coming in. Greg Leigh, which is a backup for Kemar Tax Lawrence. I'm not sure what's the situation with Amar Bell. I'm not sure if he's coming in. He's still coming in. We're going to have 3 left backs, just as though we had 3 right backs in the likes of Javon Brown, Alvas Paul, and O'Neal Fisher. Now we're going to have possible 3 left backs, which I believe is the rightful quota, because we need that support. Anything can happen. And with the likes of Greg Leigh, who can play multiple positions, I believe that is quite good. Then now we have Leigh Moore, as I said, despite that serious or how horrible that injury looked, he said that he will be okay. More than likely, he's gotten some information from his doctor, from his scans that he did, that he will be okay and ready to play. So more than likely, we might see him in the next week or so. Maybe not this weekend, but by next week. And by next week, in the training session, getting himself going again. Then now we have Shamar Nicholson coming out after his scan, showing that he has the capability of playing football despite the seriousness of the injury. My worry and concern is this: playing in that condition is a very, very, it's dangerous. I'm being honest, it is really dangerous. One elbow to that jawbone, and you'd be in severe, and I mean severe pain. Severe pain. You know, normally, like a cross is coming in from a corner or set piece, and you jump alongside the defender. Defender elbow is up, catch him in the left side or right side, either which side of the jaw is damaged, and then you know what pain is like. You will feel pain. If anyone of you guys watch anime, you know exactly where that is coming from. Pain. But anyways, I don't think none of you guys even know what is anime. I am an anime fanatics. Love anime. But anyways, people, so these are good news. That's the latest coming out of the JFF camp, and also the latest coming out of each one of the players' camp. So good news for the JFF, good news for us as fans, good news for us as fans. One thing that I realized that there's two players who are still not getting game time, and I'm getting extremely concerned for these two players in the likes of Michael Hector and Adrian Mariappa. I'm getting concerned because I want to see these players playing consistent game time so that we know that we have players going in to this campaign consistently. As I made a video earlier speaking about Javon Brown, I would love to see Javon Brown get that look in to come and represent us playing at the right back position. Definitely I want to see those players as well playing consistent football. That's something that I would love to see. So I won't go any further, people. Guys, please remember, smash the like button. This is good news time. This is not bad news. And I know you guys complain about the bad news. Good news, smash the like button. I would really, really appreciate it if you guys do that. So, Greg Leigh, Shamar Nicholson, and Leigh Moore. 3 good news, people, in one night. 3 good news. One morning. Sorry. One morning. I'm making this video from overnight. But thank you very much, people. Military Guna TV. Smash, share, like, and subscribe. I am out.